As I'm sure most of you remember, the Olympics were held in Beijing in 2008, and there is the Olympic Stadium. Over here is the Aquatic Center. That is where Michael Phelps made the world record, even though he got caught with drugs after that. Anyway, you can see over there is the Olympic sign. You can see some it's like softball, baseball fields over here that were used. And ironically, this stadium right here is not really being used for much of anything anymore. The Olympic Stadium in Atlanta from 1996 is now Turner Field, where the Atlanta Braves play. They tore down the old Turner Field, I believe. But this stadium here in Beijing is not really used for a whole lot, which is very ironic that so much money went into it and nothing was done with it afterwards. And you know, we have Centennial Park in Atlanta. You can go and, you know, just kind of hang out, chill out. And around it, you have the Atlanta Aquarium and the Coca-Cola Museum. Well, this is the Olympic Park of China, of Beijing. As you can see, it's not a whole lot to do here, but most of the Chinese that come out here, they fly kites. In fact, I think I see one way down there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Most parks, the Chinese love to go out and fly kites. There's not a whole lot of people out here right now, and one of the main reasons is that it's cold. Just standing out here, I can't feel my lips. But I'm sure this park, when the temperature warms up, is very crowded. Okay.